Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Microbiology Easy Notes. Today in the playlist of Microbiology Glossary, topic is Overview of Baker's Yeast. For centuries, people have used yeast to produce baked food items and breads. According to ancient records, Egyptians were the first who used yeast for baking. Yeast used in baking industry is commonly called as baker's yeast. It acts as leavening agent or raising agent that causes forming action in dough and batter. Yeast releases carbon dioxide and other metabolites such as esters, aldehydes, and amino acids, which make baking products lighter and softer. They add different flavors to the products. Scientific name of baker's yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Yeast is a microorganism which belongs to kingdom fungi. It is a unicellular and eukaryotic fungi. Unicellular means it is a single cell structure and eukaryotic means the definite nucleus is present in the cell. Cell organelles include nucleus, lipid granules, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, vacuoles, cytoplasm, and phosphate granules. Reproduction in yeast by budding method. But unlike fungi, it lacks hyphae. Now, types of yeast. The first type is active dry yeast. It is dehydrated form of yeast. These are the live cells which are coarse in size. Active dry yeast needs to be rehydrated before use. Another type is instant yeast. It contains greater number of live yeast cells, but its granules are smaller than active dry yeast. Instant yeast can be used directly and there is no need for rehydration. Third type is rapid rise yeast. It contains smaller granules of yeast which dissolves faster and allow rapid rising of dough. Next is deactivated yeast. It contains dead yeast cells. This yeast does not help in rising the dough, rather it is used for increasing extensibility of dough. Deactivated yeast used for making pizzas and pan breads. The next is cream yeast or fresh yeast. It is a suspension of yeast cells in liquid. It is not readily available in the market. You have to prepare it while doing the job. Next is compressed yeast. This is a yeast in cake form. Liquid amount is less in this type of yeast. This is easily perishable yeast. So this was all about baker's yeast. Now it's time for a question. Do you know what is brewer's yeast? Write your answer in the comment section below. Microbiology Easy Notes will give the answer in next video and give likes to all the responses.